Hi everybody, this is Patrick from Doggy Dashboard, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Redeemable Passes feature of Doggy Dashboard. So redeemable passes are kind of like punch cards in a way that you can sell them to your clients and then redeem them as they come in to use a service. So for this example, we're going to create some overnight boarding passes for one of our clients. In the pass name field here, we're just going to write overnight boarding, and we can even put expiration, let's say July 2022. Our client is going to be our client James Corbo. So we'll go down to James Corbo, and you can see his dog is named Raimundo. And we're going to add 7 passes for him. We create those passes, and now in a couple seconds, we'll scroll down here, and you'll see that James Corbo has 7 passes available for his dog Raimundo to use. Now, what we're going to do here is if we wanted to, we could simply redeem one of these passes right away, and then there'll be a redemption date, and now there's 6 passes available. However, we're going to actually unredeem that pass there and use them on the check-ins menu right now. So we go back to the check-ins page here, and here, once it loads, we're going to type in the name of our client. So when James arrives with his pet Raimundo, we're going to quickly go here and type in James, and go down to James Corbo Raimundo. And there you can see that the overnight passes for Raimundo have showed up here. So we have 7 passes available. So let's say Raimundo, let's type the name correctly. Raimundo is staying for 3 nights. We're going to select 3 of those passes, check in the pet. And now you can see right there that the currently checked in pet, we have 1. Raimundo came in at 11:31 a.m. on June 8th, and he redeemed 3 passes. So now if we were to go to the Redeemable Passes page here and scroll down to the bottom and type in James Corbo and select Raimundo, you'll see that 3 passes have been redeemed, which we just redeemed a few minutes ago. And if we click on that date right there, you can see that it shows you that this check-in right here is responsible for redeeming these 3 passes. And so that's one way you can use the Redeemable Passes feature. We're going to go back to check-ins, and now we'll check out Raimundo, and we'll restart. Now, if we want to do a check-in from the home page, if we go down to our calendar here, we can see that Raimundo comes in at 7 a.m. on the 8th, and he's going to leave at 5 p.m. on June 10th. So up here on the Appointment Outlook menu, you simply click there. We'll see that we have no single-day appointments, but for arriving for multi-day appointments, we have 1 pet, and that is Raimundo with the owner, James Corbo. And he comes in at 7 a.m. on the 8th and leaves at 5 p.m. on June 10th. So if we want to check him in right from the home page, we simply click the check-in button here. And there's a check-in note. We could say something like, here for 3 nights. And then we just select 3 of those passes, 1, 2, 3, check him in. And now you can see that Raimundo has been checked in. And if we go back to our check-ins menu, you can see that there is a check-in right there for Raimundo. And the same thing here for 3 nights. Passes redeemed, 1, 2, 3. And now those 3 passes have been redeemed. So if we go to Redeemable Passes, and we look up, we'll type in Raimundo this time. There he is. We can scroll down, and now you can see 3 more of our passes have been redeemed, and now there's only 1 pass left for James Corbo. Now, if we wanted to kind of get rid of this clutter, we can simply archive these passes because they've already been redeemed. And now, if we go back to the check-ins menu, the next time Raimundo shows up for an appointment, we'll check him out, refresh the page. Let's say a week later, Raimundo comes for the night. We type in Raimundo here. There he is. And now you can see there's only 1 pass left, so we know that he only has 1 pass available. And let's say we want to quickly send James an email. We click there and we can say, hi, James Corbo, you only have a few passes left. Do you want to buy some more? Or if James is there right at your business, you can quickly go here and say, overnight passes again. We'll add 3 more this time, create those passes. Well, actually, no, we'll just call them July passes just to see. Create those passes. Now we can see that 3 more passes named July have been added to Raimundo and James's account, and we still have that original overnight boarding. And lastly, if we were to go to our client database, we can just click here and search the owner's box. We'll type in Corbo. There's James Corbo. And if we scroll down here to look at his redeemable passes right there, the second gray box, and click that, you can see that the July passes are showing up right there, and there's still that one from overnight boarding left as well. And if we want to, we redeem, archive, archive, delete, delete. And then if we click again, James has no unarchived passes. So that is how you use the redeemable passes feature in conjunction with either the check-ins or from the homepage or however you really want to use them. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.